Let me tell you about my morning. It was a trip. This is officially a 13-hour day. I got here early. I got here like 10. And let me tell you why it was so stressful. Because I had a unit, a man weave this morning. And I was super concerned that the unit that we produced, which was a unit with grays in it, would not match my client's head. My client was coming in from Europe. Okay, he flew in from Europe just to come see me. I was like, we can't have no mess ups right now. I was stressing. I had to go buy some dye because I was like, yo, I don't know if his hair is brown or black or what. And the pictures I took the week before when he came in for his consultation made his hair look like brown, red, like it made it look a bunch of different colors because of the lighting that was reflecting off his head. So that was my main concern. I was like, is this man really gonna come in from Europe? And am I gonna choke on this unit right now? And you know what? Whether I choke or I don't choke, you guys can assess by the finished product that I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes. You guys could tell me if I killed it or I failed. Let's get straight into this video then. So yeah, we get right into it. The unit has grays in it, okay? If you guys want this unit from me, feel free to message. It's our 10% gray unit. But I was concerned because my client's head seemed to have a lot more grays in it. So I was like, how is this gonna blend? So there you go, there's our client's head. His curl pattern is also very loose. So that was like, bro, that was turned out like, I was like, damn, this is gonna be a nightmare. Because textures are off, colors are off, there's no chance this is working. So we're shaving off the head. I'm trying to think at this point, like, what do I need to do? I'm problem solving on the spot. I'm putting the unit next to his hair and I'm just like, yeah, it could work, but I really need this to work right now. The man came from Europe. I don't have time to mess around, play no games right now. So I decide to mix up some color. So we hit up some dark color to try to blend in the black unit and make his hair on the sides a little blacker, darker. Mix that up. What people need to understand about this whole unit man weave stuff is it is a process. It's not something that you'll do maybe the first time and it'll work right away. Not for everybody. Some people it does, depending who your professional is. I really care. Okay, so when people tell me like something's off, it hits me. It hits me really hard. Like I really want you to enjoy your experience with it. But it's not as easy as some people think where and you can't cheap out on this. You can't cheap out on this. It's costly for certain people, and honestly, I feel like there's a lot of times a lot of people they really want it, but they don't want to afford it, and that's a problem because I can't really create time for you if you don't want to pay for the service. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of things. Like I have clients that try like several different types of units and then set on one that was the best for them. But they had to go through the three to five bases that we have. You know what I mean? Also, if you guys need units, hair units, man weaves, hit us up. We got you. We can hit you with the grays, 10, 20. Like we can hit you with grays. We can hit you with colors, textures, anything you want. We got it. So right now I'm washing off the color. At this point, I'm still kind of like even especially when you wash hair, it gets all like straighter. It gets a lot straighter, you know. And I was like, damn. So let's put this on. We're cutting the fat, you know. We're cutting the fat. I'm not gonna go through the whole process. Nobody really cares, you know what I mean? Like we're just gonna go straight to the point, and I'm gonna show you guys. You guys tell me right now what you really think. What you think is going down right now. We're laying the unit down. We're laying the unit down. About to cut it. There we go with the lineup. And already it looks a little thick in the front, no? It looks a little thick in the front. A little nervous I was. A little bit. Here we go. We hit the do-rag. You know it's the moment of truth. You know it's the moment of truth. When I take that do-rag off, it's the moment of truth. Ta-da! Killed this, bro. This is... Look, listen, guys. Okay, semi-permanent color, but there is no enhancements on this. I don't know how many units you guys have seen that have 0 enhancements. There is 0 enhancements on this, okay? Tell me how that looks. Tell me how the gray blends in. Tell me how you feel about this. I want to know. You can see the scalp. This is scalp exposure. Scalp exposure. Now, lace units, you have to be gentle with them. You can't just tear them apart. But they can last you 3 to 6 months. If you really care for them and take your time with them and your lifestyle permits it, they can last you time. I have some people that doesn't last them a lot of time because they're very active and they're physical. And when you clean the unit, especially if you have glue and you have to rub it off, it could be difficult to maintain. So sometimes people need a thicker type of base. You know what I mean? But how does this look? I mean, straight, how does this look? Would you guys question this right now if you seen this on the street? And all I want for my homie right now is for him to really take care of himself. Take care of you. Look at the scalp. Look at the scalp.
Damps.
I'm pushing the limit. This is success this year. This is take crumbs, make bread this year. This is a year where I'm going to do what I need to do to establish this brand, establish this lifestyle, this take crumbs, make bread 25/8 Damps lifestyle. I'm going to do what I need to do to make this work. I got a lot of things to do here. I want to show you guys this. We're a brand. If you guys didn't know, we're a brand. We have a story. And we've been out here for a minute. This is not our first time around the block. So first, Damps tee. When you flip it, you see that it says black on the block. That's our return back to the block because we're here to take over. I'm considering that might be our new mascot. If you guys need pre-orders on that, hit us up right now. dampscompany.com.
Damps.